Hello, John Neal here. Yes, here. It's Saturday the 22nd of January 2022 and I'm going up to Higham Village, down a bit, back to the A5 to have a look at the graffiti. And I've got the drone with me as well, of course.
Fly, 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 fly. Fly, 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 fly.
Thinking about it, I'm not quite sure why I talk to you while I'm riding along. I might as well stop at a quiet place like this and stop the camera sort of shaking about like that. That's no good to anybody. Anyway, the idea is this. I'm going down to that graffiti that goes underneath the A5 and it's on the subway bridge that goes underneath. That would have originally been a railway undercut. And the road goes over the top, but the graffiti there is fantastic, and I'm a bit cautious about flying the drone through tunnels. I was tried again at Atherstone by the locks, and I wasn't happy because if it goes wrong for some reason, if the sensors on it, I don't know, move around, then you end up in the canal. But here it's solid, so if it goes wrong, well, not too much damage done, I hope. So let's nip down there and see how it goes. So this is the line of the old railway that goes under the bridge and is now a footpath, as you can see. And then it goes underneath the A5, the Watling Street, which is looking here towards the west. And those are the buildings of the Motor Industry Research Establishment, which is now called Horiba. Anyway, pressing on, time to get back home and have some lunch. Well, it's a very small world, and this gentleman back here with the two dogs, just having a chat with him, and he was talking about watching stuff on YouTube and that he'd been to America recently, to California. Well, he'd been there, not necessarily recently. Yeah, fascinating. Right, this is the Weddington walkway, which is an old railway line, as well you know, because I've just been under the bridge, and you can see the line of it used to go from Nuneaton out this way, and as a result there's no traffic here, so more than happy to hold this and cycle at the same time, which just gives a certain ambience to the trip. Oh, by the way, we went out and met some friends yesterday afternoon, and that's the first time properly that we've done that since November, and it was wonderful, because prior to going to the States, of course, we had to be very, very careful not to catch COVID, but now we're back, we're able to get out and see people, and I think they're suggesting that the COVID problem is easing off a bit. Let's hope so. Anyway, if you enjoyed this, thanks, and see you next time. We'll meet again.
Allow upon, allow upon, allow upon, allow upon, allow upon, allow a heart, allow a heart.